Grabe 7 months bago ko masundan to, but I promise you it will be worth it. But today is the continuation of the series ng jobs that you can do to start working from home today. And I will teach you in 3 parts. Number 1, ano ba yung pinakang position? Number 2, ano yung skills na needed? Number 3, saan nyo pwedeng pag-aral? This is part of the 364-day challenge na season 2 na, kasi last year meron tayong freelancer na mid-this 2023. Ang goal itong program na to is maturuan ko kayo for free kung paano nga ba makapag-start na magtrabaho sa bahay. So kung nag-iisip na kayo kung paano kumita ng extra or gusto nyo mag-fully transition to freelancing, then this video is for you, so watch till the end. So yung first 3 parts natin, pinag-usapan natin yung goal setting. Ano nga ba dapat yung ating mentality kapag tayo ay magta-transition na to freelancing. Next, we've talked about task management apps, which is very important sa inyong goal setting. And then after that, nagturo na ako kung paano mag-create ng resume. Yung last video ko, January 8 pa talaga siya. But if you want to check the series, ilalagay ko na lang siguro dito sa baba. Ililink ko siya doon sa mismo series dito sa TikTok para masundan nyo siya isa-isa. Usually before 3 PM nakapag-upload na ako ng isang video, but I promise to upload more because nga naghahabol tayo sa 364-day challenge. Utal na ako. But today we're doing part 4, so let's go. Number 1 na pinakang-flexible na pwede mong i-offer as a freelancer ay content writing. So yung mga content writers, they create all sorts of copies of all kinds for all industries. This can be anything between writing for websites, blog posts, articles, webpage, copies, ad. Yung iba pati email writing, printed materials para sa mga flyers nila, direct mail, lahat na. Yung mga content writers, generally, they specialize in 1 or 2 types of writing, and then dinedevelop na nilang nila yon based dun sa specialization nila. For example, yung mga writers na nagfo-focus sa sales and marketing copy, ang ginagawa nila is they are able to create persuasive techniques in their writing to help close sales. Meron naman mga journalist, ito naman yung mga nanggagawa ng, if I may say, dapat unbiased and straightforward yung writing itong mga to. Syempre, if you want to pursue itong career na to, kailangan meron kang proper spelling and grammar, marunong kang mag-research, proper credit and citation techniques, kailangan marunong ka, no? Yes, you give credit where credit is due. Tapos syempre, when you create yung mga write-ups mo, kailangan may structure in writing for coherency and flow. Coherency! Now, if you want to be a freelancer, it's very important that you learn how to do content or copywriting because number 1, it enhances your effective communication skills. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin para sa self-marketing mo, para matuto ka kung paano ibenta yung service mo as a freelancer. It also adds value. So, yung presyo ng iyong, how do you call it? Yung iyong services. Yan, nadadagdagan yan kapag marunong ka nito. Also, sa panahon ngayon, ang dami ng nangangailangan ng content writers or copywriters para sa mga contents nila. Also, you will have to learn yung a little bit of SEO for you to be able to use this skill to its full potential. It also builds trust and credibility with the clients. And I think yung kagandahan, if you know how to do copywriting, is that you're able to have this emotional connection and you're able to build a branding na hindi kagaya na lang ng mga available sa ChatGPTs and AIs. If you want to learn copywriting for free, I can recommend 2 websites for you. The first one, you can go to Purdue University. Ito, i-check nyo na lang yung website. Pagkatapos, nandyan na lahat ng kailangan ninyong resources, libre yan. Of course, you can also go to Udemy. Meron sila nitong complete creative writing, all genres, full course. And this one's only $5.99 today. However, these are self-paced classes, meaning hindi kayo pwede magtanong kung ano nga ba or tama nga ba yung ginagawa ninyo. If you want a more structured parang program, we have copywriting with internship for only $999. If you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang itong link sa bio ko. It will open our GigHub. Sa GigHub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo. Free at paid resources kung gusto nyo matuto maging freelancer. Now, what we're looking for under live mentorship is yung 999 copywriting with internship. So, i-click nyo lang yan. It will open the form and it will tell you that the next class, I believe dapat August 3 and 4 to, pero mamumove yun for sure. Kasi yung last class namin is na-move. So, kailangan i-move din ulit ito. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng trabaho sa bahay na alam mong flexi time lang or output-based, ganyan, and you have strong writing skills, creative ka in whatever ways you feel like you are creative, tapos alam mo kung paano mag-research, gusto mo sanang matuto or i-apply kung ano man yung nalalaman mo about SEO, you're adaptable, you're able to parang feel what other people feel, and you can take this parang superpower to parang akayin yung inyong audience through your writing to make that purchase or parang travel from point A to point B. Nalilito na ako sa inimik ko. From point A to point B, then copywriting is for you. Again, 999 pesos lang siya. May kasama ng 2 weeks na internship na pwede nyo ilagay sa portfolio, and yes, tuturuan po rin namin kayo kung paano makaland ng clients nyo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!